Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandShow.com. So, there's a lot of things out there that will stop you from getting a loan, an IRS lien and a judgment. Well, here at GusandShow.com, we can provide you a way out of that. So if you can take your judgment out of the judgment status and go on a payment plan with the person who put a judgment against you and make 3 timely payments, not all at once, 3 monthly payments, we can use that debt against you and close your loan. Same with an IRS lien, same with old IRS debt. That's all you got to do. Now, if you're a veteran and you've got a lot of collections, normally you'd have to hit someone for the payment. Well, FHA hits you for 5%, conventional hits you for 5% of your collections over $2,000. But the VA is special. If you're a veteran, you got a lot of collections, and you got a payment plan with one of those collections, we have to hit you that payment. If you don't have a payment plan with those collections, we hit you with 0. And how we verify that is we do a 3-way phone call with you and the debtor and our credit company. And they ask a question, is there a payment agreement on this collection? If there is, we have to hit you for that debt. If there's not, big 0 there. So that's the good news. If you don't have if you have collections, I hate to say this, I don't advise you to go on a payment plan. It sounds horrible. Not to pay your debt is better for you, but that's the way it works for the VA. Now, charge-offs in the GusandShow.com, we don't count them against you. They're like medical collections. They will hurt you if they happen in the last year or 2 years because they're considered lates. But if they're older than 2 years old, they're medical collections, so they mean nothing to us. So give us a call if you got any problems with getting a mortgage and you have some debts that are getting in the way. If some lender's telling you they can't do it or hitting you for this much or that much, we have the guidelines to the T. Whatever the guidelines say, we honor. Banks put overlays on it. I hear banks telling people to pay their charge-offs off. Silly. Don't have to do that. Give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.